Okay, skin weakness. And using Adipeau, there's some science that's happening that's going to make our skin stronger, add volume back to our face. But it actually starts with making fat cells smaller. Seems
Correct.
counterintuitive. Could you explain that?
The large fat cells, they're inflamed. They're causing collagen and elastin production to be suppressed. You make the fat cells smaller, right? With our key ingredient, Kaempferia parviflora extract. You make the fat cells smaller. The inflammation goes away. The collagen and elastin production resumes. The skin strengthens. It's very straightforward. There's no bells and whistles. It's very simple. You reduce fat cell size, the skin becomes strong.
And I wanted to understand why your under eye fat disappears first and fastest. And what can we do about that?
That's a really good question. So again, we talked about movement, right? How movement prevents fat cells from regenerating. And think about how much the under eye moves when we're squinting, right? It's subject to a lot of movement. That's number one. Number two, it's very thin skin and very little fat. So you put those three things together, and by the time you're in your 50s, it can be all gone completely, 100%. So they've done studies where they took cadavers and they measured people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s, and they see that this fat right under here, by the time you reach your 50s, can be completely lost.